So to get to the software to download, you just go to the support page, and then on the bottom of the support page is information on how to download the software. I'm just going to click Access Downloads. I want DataBridger Studio, which is actually in this download file, and you can see it is a zip file. So I'm going to go ahead and click on it. It'll download it and put it into my default folder of downloads. So let me go ahead and show you what that looks like. Refresh here. I'm going to just unzip this file and put it right here. You may want to put it into a folder wherever you keep your downloads, but this machine's not going to be used for very much, so I'm just going to leave it here. And then once it's unzipped, we're going to want to install it as the administrator. So I'm going to click on the setup file and run it as the administrator and bring up a dialog box to help go through the installation itself. I'm going to take all the defaults. The default is, it's because it's a 32-bit piece of software in program files x86. But you could put it anywhere you'd like. Just remember where it is. And then I'm just going to click install. Now that it's finished, I'll finish. And now we can see DataBridger is actually in the program files.